guys, welcome back to my channel What's Buzzing. Today we will be updating you on what all happened this week in the buzzing sub TV show Ziddi Dil Mane Na, which airs Monday to Saturday at 8 p.m. on Sony Sub, and you can catch all the episodes on the Sony Live app. If you are a regular viewer of this show, you must be aware of the ongoing track, but if not, don't worry, by the end of this video you will be all updated with the current track. Since the show aired its first episodes, the makers of the show have managed to keep the viewers glued to the TV screens with some interesting twists and turns in the plot and some stellar performances from the actors. Coming to this week's episodes, this week was a full-on emotional roller coaster ride in Ziddi Dil Mane Na. The show aired its 50th episode on Monday, and we were shown how Dr. Monami Mahajan Monu has been rushed to the hospital by Karan after he shot her unintentionally when she entered his room while he was getting some nightmares about his past. Special Agent Karan Shergill feels extremely guilty of what he has done and decides to confess his guilt even after being aware of the extreme consequences he might face in his career. While Monu's best friend Sid arrives at the hospital being informed that her best friend has been shot, he has an emotional breakdown at the hospital and is more highly disappointed when he finds out that his best friend was shot by Karan. Special applause for the commendable performances from the two talented actors Shaleen Malhotra and Kunal Karan Kapoor, who are doing absolutely fabulous jobs as Karan Shergill and Siddharth as Sid Ganju. Okay, coming back to the episodes, an emotional Sid prays to God for his best friend's well-being, seeing which even Sanju grows emotional and goes on to sympathize with him. Later, the bullet is removed from Monami's body, but she is declared critical for the next few hours. After some time, Monami's father reaches the hospital, being informed about his daughter, and questions the agents about their professionalism. As Karan confesses that it's him who fired the bullet on Monami, Sid comes up and denies that and says that she is self-fired while training. Later, Sid clarifies to Karan that he didn't do it to save Karan but to save his best friend's dreams, as he knows that once her father gets to know the truth, he would take her back home and would not let her continue her training, though that is what she is capable of and dreams of doing in life. He clarifies to Karan that struggles aren't always financial but emotional too. Monu and Sid might be rich and privileged kids, but they have had their own share of struggles to achieve their dreams. In the next part, we see Monami regains consciousness and her father asks her to go back home with him, but she denies. Later, Karan comes in and supports Monami's decision to continue training in SAF and tries to explain her father that his daughter is highly efficient and should be allowed to chase her dreams. Monami's health suddenly deteriorates and she needs to be donated blood, but her blood group, being a rare one, wasn't available at the hospital. Karan steps up to donate blood and we get to know that Karan and Monami are of the same blood group. She is given blood and regains consciousness, and later Mr. Batra comes to meet her at the hospital. Back at the academy, as police comes to interrogate about how was Monami shot, Koel and the other cadets agree that she shot herself by mistake during training on Faizy's silent request. Karan decides to stay back at the hospital to look after Monami and asks Sid and Sanju to go back to the academy and have some rest. Before leaving, Sid forgives Karan as Monami explains that the gunshot was a mistake and nothing intentional, and Sid leaves the hospital. Karan takes care of Monami all night at the hospital, and at the academy, hungry Sid and Sanju have noodles cooked by Sid. Sanju remembers Karan saying to her, जो लोग हमें ऊपर से सतह की तरह दिखते हैं, कभी-कभी वो लोग अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा गहरे होते हैं, explaining that some people are much deeper inside than they look on the outer side. The next day, Mrs. Batra arrives at the hospital and requests Karan to go back home and have some food and rest, and assures him of taking care of Monami. Monu's dad, Mr. Mahajan, asks her to come back home with him as he found out already that it was Karan's gun from which she was shot, and her life's at risk at the academy. And she is not a fit there. But when she denies to go back home, he blackmails her, saying that if she doesn't agree to go back home with his father, he will sue Karan and the academy. Back at Karan's home, Karan's niece, whom he lovingly calls Baby, is excited to go for Diwali shopping with her chachu. At the academy, the cadets get ready for Diwali celebration and are overjoyed when they hear of Monami coming back from the hospital that evening. Monami's father gets her to agree to go back home with him. So, this was all what happened in Ziddi Dil Mane Na this week. The recap for the upcoming week shows that Monami meets Karan for the final time at the hospital before leaving for home, but doesn't tell him about her father's conditions on which she had to agree to leave the training and go back home. What do you think? Will Monami sacrifice her dream of becoming a commando for the sake of welfare of the academy and Karan? How will she balance both of this and find a solution to her problems? Do drop in your thoughts below in the comment section, and also don't forget to share about how did you like this week's episodes. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and don't forget to share the video with others. And please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates. And also don't forget to watch Didi Dil Mane Na on Sony Sub at 8 p.m. Take care all you beautiful souls. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.